What's up YouTube guys, it is Dr. Jeremiah here. Just wondering why the 3500s are on the 67 Blue Line. These are for Westside only, and I'm just confused on why. What my point may be is that they didn't have enough Hayden drivers to take over for the 67 line, so they asked some Trisket drivers to come over and help. So that's what I think it was, because this is a Hayden side route and Trisket is like way on the other side of their border, the route. So that means they're doing the full run of the 67 all the way to downtown and back. So I find it pretty cool. And I rode on this not too long ago. It's still good in here. These buses, they got these summertime, so these are still good. They smell good and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna do a run all the way to Van Aiken, which will let you hear how it sounds, and enjoy the ride, guys. And another thing that they started to add on here is with this new cord system right here that they have. Because on our 3300s, customers will pull on them and they brake easily. This will help it from braking quicker. So, and you know, these buses are not like made for Ohio. These are like made for like Florida. Everyone knows that Gillings, these don't have windows. So and they come with air. So it's like made for like Florida, Texas, and California, and all those other places. So this isn't a 4-season type bus. This is just a summer type season bus. Listen. By the way, this is a 2017 Gilling Bart Plus diesel transmission WP400R with the Cummins ISLG engine. Diesel, guys. If you have any questions or anything, please comment me below under the video. And I don't know if you can see that from right here. That bus pass right there says 51, and that's what this bus is made for. They are made for the 51 buses. They are made for the 51 buses. These buses are not made for like what this is doing now. So I think here it go right here. Oh, this say Holiday. No, that's not it. Oh wait, that's just the 51. I thought this was. See, you see how these are what their schedule looks like for Trisket. These are Trisket buses. These are for Westside. So they don't have any like east side things are inside of here. But yeah, pretty good update. That's an old time plate that they have, so that's normal that they have. And then they have like the good draw. Have a good day, you too. I think I should get off here too. Yeah, I'm gonna get off here because usually it isn't going all the way around, and then that'll be a walk for me. So this is what it looks like, guys. Too high, sorry. But yep. And that's what this is that I'm on today. Thanks for watching. And that's what this was, the 67. If I can't see it, I know you guys won't probably be able to see it. Maybe my brightness may be too low, but yeah, thank you guys for watching.